to get down underneath the table. So let's just have a listen. Our apologies for any offensive language that you may have heard there. You can see that it was the police really in a great hurry to get people to get down at the table. Our apologies for that, the language that you heard there in what must have been a very fraught moment, not the kind of thing that we would ordinarily broadcast to you, of course. We're very careful about that sort of thing. It was obviously mobile phone footage that we had in. Make sure we check that again before we use it. But it showed you, didn't it, that the police were in a variety of different places